Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how you can create a new page. Let's create a new About Me page using the default 2025 WordPress theme using the Gutenberg editor. So I recently received a question from one of my viewers in my YouTube channel asking me to show an example to create another page beside home page. So I'm going to teach you how to do so in this tutorial. So later we are going to create a new About Me page. So this is the first section with a background, with an image. And when we scroll down, there is this Why Me section. And I will also embed a video. I will show you how you can embed a video as well. After that, followed by a section that we can display a grid of testimonials. Okay, so I will show you what plugin that we can use, which is a free plugin to easily set this up. And finally, we will have this final section, which is our classes that people can click and sign up the yoga classes. And this is a current section in my homepage. So I'm going to teach you how you can make that section on the homepage duplicatable and to duplicate the same section in this about page. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is my current homepage. So when you scroll down, you can see that this is the section, our classes section. Later, we are going to duplicate this. Okay, so right now, let's log into the dashboard. So once we're in the dashboard, the first thing we need to do is to add a new page, and let's call this new page about me, or you can name it about or about us, whatever you want to name it. Okay, so it's up to you. So now about me, I name it just about me, and I'm going to add in the first section. So open up this document overview, click add, and I'm going to click on pattern. I'm going to choose a pattern that I can use it. So I'm going to use this pattern. It's called CV/bio. So I click on here and it will show up immediately. So I'm going to close this, and this is the view. So I'm going to open up this side panel, click on page. For the template, I want to switch the template because currently the template is pages, so I'm going to swap template to use page with no title. So page no title, so make sure it's selected. Okay, now I want to open the document overview again. So over here right now, I'm going to add in a background. So to make this section looks a little bit more visually appealing, so I'm going to click add media. We're going to upload the image. So I'm going to upload this background image. So this is how it looks like. And I'm going to reduce the font of this wording. So if you click on this block, you will see, and when you scroll down, you can see that the size currently is set to 22 rem. So you can make it to pixel. You can make it slightly bigger, okay, but not that big just now. So I'm going to change it to hello. So let's publish the web page. Click on publish and let's view the page. So this is how it looks like right now. So the background can really make the web page feels very differently. And normally for background, I will go to Pixabay. Let me just share with you this place that you can download free background to use for your website. So you can just type in background, and you can see that there's quite a few background that you can use in your website. And also you can even set the filter. So let's say for color, you can set orange and click apply. And what you will see over here is that they will show you a list of orange colored background. For example, this one and this one that you can use for your website background. So you can even filter by colors. Okay, so this is Pixabay for your information and for your usage. So right now, go back to the website, click on this image. I'm going to replace this image with my photo, yoga instructor photo. So this is the picture. So this is for the first section. So the next section is when you take a look, it is this why me section. So let's go back over here and click on this plus button again and add in a pattern. So you can just click on this about category and scroll down. You will see this section intro area with heading and image. So click on this section and let's go back to edit. So right now just click on here and we are going to change the title to why me. So this is just a section that showcase, then you can write down a sentence or two to say why I'm the suitable yoga instructor for the visitor to consider. And then over here, we can simply add a block. We can add before and make this block a video slash video. Click on video and upload a video that I have. So I just upload this yoga instructor video and I will just take away this image. Click on this three dot and click delete. So this is the second session. So right now, the next thing is that I'm going to show you how to set up the testimonial section. So there's a plugin that I will need you to install. So let's save this first and go back to the dashboard. And let's go to plugins, add new plugin. And the name of this plugin is called Real Testimonial. So I tried a few plugins, but this plugin is very user friendly and it comes with a lot of settings that you can set as well. So this is the plugin Real Testimonials. Click install now. And after the plugin has been installed, just click activate. And once you have activated the plugin, you will see a page like this. So the first step we need to do is to go to all testimonial and start to add in the testimonial. So for me, I will just start to add in the one testimonial. Okay, so the first thing, let's enter the title. I will put in the name as the title and paste in some wording here. This is just some sample wording. This is just demo purpose. So I just put in a name. The star rating, up to you. You put a 5 star. If let's say the person has given you a 5 star review, so just put in 5 star. And some of the fields here, you need to subscribe to the pro version. But for me, I just use the free version at the moment. Okay, so over here, the one last thing before you click the publish button is to click the image of the person. So to go along with this testimonial. Okay, so then set testimonial image. So enter the name, the testimonial text, and upload the picture and click publish. After that, okay, so I'm going to add in 2 other testimonial. Okay, so repeat the steps so that now I have 3 testimonials uploaded, and the next thing I need to do is go to views and add a new view. So I'll call this testimonial. And I will choose carousel, or you can choose slider, is up to you, or you can choose grid. Okay, so for me, I'll just choose grid. And these are the settings that you can select as well. So you can also click show preview. It will show you how it looks like. So currently, this is how it looks like. And one thing to take note is this testimonial shortcode. So I just copy this shortcode and publish this view. So we have one view published, and let's go back to our About Me page, edit About Me. Okay, so we come back to this page and let's add in a section for the testimonial. So click on patterns and go to testimonials and add in on this section, for example. Okay, so over here we can change the text. Click on here. Currently is what people are saying. So if you prefer, you can just leave it as default or you can name it as testimonials. Okay, and you can center align this if you want to. And for the column, you can just delete this because we are going to add in our own testimonial. And click add after. Over here, we can choose a block. You can click browse all. You can choose this real testimonial and you can choose a view. So let's choose this. And this is how it looks like. But you can notice that this is not full width yet. So click on this section over here and toggle again this layout option and you will see that it expands. Okay, so let's click save and let's view the page again. Scroll down to the testimonial and now you can see that it's expanded. Okay, so let's move on to the last section, which is this one, our classes. And now the thing is that for our home page, let's go to our home page, all pages and home. You can click on edit and click on the document overview and you can click on this one. You can click on this group. Click on this group, for example. Okay, so this is the group that contain our classes, and I want to make the block a global block which can be reusable in other pages. So the advantage is that the next time I can reuse this block again and I don't need to design from scratch. So what you need to do is to click on this three dot and scroll down. There is this option called create pattern. So click on create pattern and you ask you for this pattern name. So I will put down classes. So this pattern name is called classes. You can also give it a category if you want to, and you can disable or enable this sync option. This sync means that if you have two pages with this pattern and you make changes to one page, and if this option is enabled, like currently is enabled, it will also change the content on another page. So which means that every page with this same block will have the same content anytime you make changes in one of them. So you can leave this on if you find that it's very convenient for you and you know that this section will always have the same content across all your website. So for me, I will just leave this on and click add. Okay, and after that you will see that the color will change to a bit different. So I'll save this and now let's go back to about me page and let's add in that section. So click on add over here and click on pattern and you will see under here there's this my pattern and this is the classes pattern that we have just created. So click on here and now these classes appear. So now I click save and go back to my website and do a refresh and scroll down and you can see that this is our classes. So this is how it works. So right now this is my about me page. So one last thing is that how to show this about me page here in the navigation. So let's go back to the dashboard and go to appearance editor and under navigation you can click on this edit. So once you click on this edit, you can expand the site setting. You can click on the document overview. Make sure this navigation is selected. And over here, just click add and choose page link. Once you choose page link, you can search for about and it will show you the relevant page. So just now the pages that we create is about me, so it is about me. So you will notice that it appear at the end of the row. So I will want to make sure that it appear the first thing in front. So I will shift it up here. So I click save. Now go back to my about me page and do a refresh. You can see that this is the about me. So when people come to the home page and click on about me page, they will see this new page that I newly created. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial will help you in creating another page in your website using the default 2025 theme. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the discussion area below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.